everyone, it is Miss O'Neill back again with another math lesson. So instead of learning something new today, I wanted to go ahead and make sure that we are all where we need to be. We're going to go ahead and do a quick check. I'm going to throw some problems at you. You might need to rewrite to add. You might need to round and estimate. And you might need to choose a way to add. We're going to go ahead and do a couple different problems for each lesson that we've learned so far, and then just see where we're at from there. Sound good? All right, you are going to say your answers to the screen. If you really want to, you can go ahead, grab a pencil and a piece of paper. Just spare scrap paper is fine. These are just going to be for your answers, helping you work out the problems. Only if you don't want to follow along with me up here. All right, are we good to go? Awesome. So the first three problems that we're going to do are rewrite to add problems. I'm going to write the math problems horizontally. Remember, horizontally means side to side. And then we're going to have to write them or rewrite them vertically to add. Vertically means up and down. Cool beans? All right, so our first problem is going to be 8 plus 56. 8 plus 56. Tell me or point on your screen, where is this 8 going to go? Is it going to go into the tens column or in the ones column? The 8. Nice. It's going to go into the ones column. Cool beans. We know it's not going to go into the tens because that would mean that number is 80. That number is 8, not 80. What about 56? The 5 in 56 is going to go where? Nice. The 5 in 56 is going to go right up here. And what about the 6? Where is that 6 going to go? Nice, you guessed it, in the 1 spot. Cool beans, let's go ahead and go through our steps for adding numbers together. Step number 1, add those ones. What is 6 plus 8? Nice, it's 14. Step number 2, do I need to regroup? Do you have to regroup 14? Yes, you do. Awesome job. I'm going to take away the 1, or the 10 in 14, not the 1. The 10 in 14 is coming right up over here. Step number 3. Nice. Add the 10s, matey. 1 plus 5. Yeah, you got it. It's 6. Step number 4. Am I done? Am I sure? Yes, you are done, and yes, I am sure you did an amazing job here. Go ahead, give yourself a kiss on the forehead, a pat on the back. I'm going to erase this problem. The next two that we're going to do are going to be a little tricky. I'm not going to say anything. You are going to have to tell me what to do. Sound good? Sounds a little tricky, but I think we got it. I'm going to use a different marker for this. We are going to do 47 plus 9. All right. Tell me where to... Oh, I'm sorry. I said I wasn't going to talk. All right, awesome job. You got the answer 100% right. 47 plus 9 equals 56. Awesome job. I thought that wasn't going to be a challenge for you, so you know what? Let's make it a little harder. I'm going to go ahead and write the problem down. We're going to do the same thing. I'm not going to talk, but this time we are going to try to go as fast as we can. Tricky, I know, but I also know that we are big second grade kids and we are super duper smart. 34 plus 26. And go. Yes, you are done, and yes, you are sure. Oh my gosh, that was so fast. Amazing job. Go ahead and give yourself a kiss on the forehead and a pat on the back. 40, no, not 40, haha, 34 plus 26 equals 60. We're going to jump ahead and we are going to go ahead and estimate now. Only this time, we're not going to use a number line. I know I am crazy. I am just throwing all of these curveballs at you. I am not going to give you a number line for this one. You are just going to have to tell me. No number line. Can we do it? All right. Let's go ahead and explain the first one together. So I have the numbers 38 and 21, and I need to round up or down to estimate. 38. I'm taking a look at the number 8. Is 8 a number that tells us to go up or go down? Yeah, you're right. 8 is a number that tells us to go up. What 10 is this closest to? Is it closest to 30 or 40? Absolutely. Closest to 40. What about 1? Is 1 a number that tells us to go down or go up? Nice. 1 is a number that tells us to go down. So is this number 21 closest to 20 or is it closest to 30? Awesome. It's closest to 20. Nice. And now we're going to add these two together. Remember, when we round each addend, each part of our adding problem, and we need to estimate the sum, we are not giving you the exact sum. We're just rounding a little bit. 40 plus 20. 4 tens plus 2 tens. 4 plus 2 equals... Awesome. 6, and then we add our 0 over here. Super, awesome, amazing job. Let's do one more of that one. One more estimating. Let's do something a little bit trickier. Let's do 26 plus 32. I know that's a really big 3. Just go ahead and live with it. 26, plus 32. 26, we have a 6 here. Is 6 a number that tells us to go up or down? Awesome job. 6 is a number that tells us to go up. So are we going up to 20 or are we going up to 30? Awesome. We're going up to 30. Now, what about 32? Which number in 32 is going to tell us where to go? Awesome, amazing job. It's going to be the 2 over here. Is 2 a number that tells us to go up or down? Nice, down. Great job. So are we going down to 20 or are we going down, oh no, not 20. Are we going down to 30 or are we going down to 40? Awesome, we're going down to 30. And now we can go ahead and get our answer. 30 plus 30, 3 tens plus 3 tens, 3 plus 3 equals, wonderful. 30 plus 30 equals 60. Awesome job. Go ahead and give yourself a kiss on the forehead, a pat on the back for that. And now let's go ahead and talk about choosing a way to add. Really, really quickly, just 2 more problems. We got this. There are 4 ways to add. Which way is the way that you just do in your head? That's right, mental math. Which way is the way that we go ahead and grab a work mat and then we grab a bunch of cubes and a bunch of 10 sticks? Nice. That's 10s and 1s. Which way is the way that we grab something and then we can just put the numbers on it and then the answers will come up on a screen? Nice, that's a calculator. And which way, our last way, is the way that we grab these 2 things, we set up our 10s and 1s chart, and we go through all of our steps. Wonderful. Paper and pencil. Or I guess it could be paper and pen, paper and crayon, paper and marker. Really up to you. All right, so if I had the problem 30 plus 56, how would I solve that? Which way would you choose to add? If this was me, I would either be using a paper and pencil, or really quickly, I could also just use mental math. Awesome job. Last problem, really, really quickly. What if we had 27 plus 32? Which would you choose? I would take mental math right out of there. I would either use 10s and 1s. I don't think I would need a calculator. I would choose 10s and 1s or paper and pencil. All good? Awesome job. Kiss on the forehead, pat on the back. You did an amazing job. I'll see you next time.